Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of bulky projectors that take forever to set up, bad built-in sound that ruins movie night, or fixed angles that limit where you can watch, then get excited because today we're reviewing the Magcubic portable mini projector. This compact powerhouse delivers crisp 1080p visuals, powerful Bluetooth speakers with soundbase for rich audio, 180-degree rotatable design for flexible projection, built-in rechargeable battery for wireless use, easy one-button operation, and ultra-portable size perfect for bedrooms, camping, or travel. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, if you want a projector that's truly portable, sounds great, and makes movie nights or presentations effortless anywhere, this is the one that'll upgrade your entertainment game. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours. Let's break down the features on the Magcubic portable mini projector. This projector has a tiny modern design that's super lightweight and fits in your hand or backpack, with a durable build that travels well. It supports native 1080p resolution with bright, clear visuals, even in moderate light. And the 180-degree rotatable head lets you project on ceilings, walls, or floors without moving the whole unit. The built-in Bluetooth speakers with soundbase deliver surprisingly rich, loud audio for its size, so you can enjoy movies without extra speakers. It's rechargeable with a built-in battery for wireless playback and connects easily via HDMI, USB, or wireless screen mirroring from your phone. The simple interface has one-button control and autofocus for quick setup. It runs cool and quiet and comes with a remote for convenient control from the couch. Setup is effortless. Charge it, point it, connect your device, and start watching. Priced around $100, it's excellent value with solid performance. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are projection perfection, true portability with built-in battery and small size for anywhere use, sharp 1080p picture with good brightness, flexible 180-degree rotation for creative setups, strong Bluetooth soundbase for immersive audio without extras, easy one-button operation with auto features, and affordable price for the quality. Users rave about the convenience, clear visuals, and how it turns any space into a theatre. On the con side, battery life is shorter on high brightness. Not as bright as full-size projectors for very sunny rooms. Built-in speakers are good, but not audiophile level for big spaces. And it can get warm during long sessions. A few mention the fan is noticeable in silent scenes, but overall the pros dominate for portable entertainment. My recommendation? Absolutely go for the Magcubic portable mini projector if you want easy big screen fun anywhere, and the pros like portability, sound, and flexibility make sense for you. It's perfect for movie nights, camping, presentations, or small apartments. Before we wrap, if these reviews light up your entertainment, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and scores you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a friend who loves movies, or subscribe for more. See you next time.